a meditation called Let Go of Appearances, Embrace What's Inside. So whose fault was it? The man or his parents? After all, someone must be to blame. Affliction has causes. This must be punishment. Disciples and Pharisees, if only they could see, but they do not. Either the man has sinned, or his poor parents, or perhaps Jesus himself. After all, the power to heal must come from somewhere. How blind do you have to be to see and yet see nothing? To be so bound up by the way that you believe the world to be that you see nothing. Believe only the narrative you want to believe. Years past, it was the same. We need a king to look the part. Eliab is tall, strong, he has a commanding presence, he feels like a king. It must be him. One by one, they pass by. It must be him, and each time, no. We are so easily taken in by how things look, by appearances that impress, by beliefs that we hold. And then and now, God has other ideas. Always look for the surprising, the loving, the kind, the out of the box, the oppressed raised up, the startling and different, the least expected path. Only least expected because we still cling to how things appear on the outside, whereas God embraces what is within with passionate joy and healing love.